Stephen's running a few minutes late. We might as well start without him. I can't believe how good this weather's been. We just got back from a weekend at the cottage with Frank and the girls. I've never seen so many Barbies in my life. Do you know that they have an Empress of the Aliens Barbie and a Goddess of the Galaxy Barbie? They're a bit odd, but the girls love them. We got your fee proposal. It seems in line with the market.
Sorry about that. Traffic on the 401 was brutal. City getting more and more congested every day.
Don't worry. We just started. I was talking about the fees, and I told them that their fees are fine.
Yeah, we do find a lot of firms have a sliding scale that their fees go down the more assets you have. It's the best system if you want to attract significant funds.
As you can see from our portfolio, we have significant funds.
Did you mention that we'd like them to give us a stock pick?
No, we hadn't got around to that.
We find it helpful if we ask our advisors up front to give their best stock idea. It helps us understand how you approach investing, and we can see how well your thinking and our thinking is aligned. Give us a full analysis of the stock and the percentage of return you expect, and let us know if your investment idea is for my portfolio or for Loretta's.
I told you you'd find our portfolios different.
No change with Jake. We met with a new psychologist and with him last week, and he agreed to continue to meet this guy once a week. We're not getting our hopes up.
Even if he could just find someone. Settle down, that'd be a big step.
The more I think about it, the more I'm leaning towards leaving a substantial portion of our wealth to charity. Not sure if we should start our own charitable foundation and have Frank run it, or if we should pick a bunch of charities we're interested in. I'm not even sure if we shouldn't start giving our money away while we're alive, or if we should wait until we passed. Just noodling through all this now. It'd be helpful to hear your thoughts on charitable giving and the pros and cons of when to give and who to give and how to give.
We haven't set up our education savings plans for our grandchildren either. Not sure it's worth the bother. We can just pay for their education when they get there, but maybe we're thinking about it wrong. We might not even be around when little Kim heads off to college. Can you also help us with what education savings vehicles there are out there, and if we should even bother setting them up for the girls?
Good point, Loretta. I wouldn't want the girls' education to be compromised in any way. What if, God forbid, we pass away and the wealth given to our granddaughters at too early an age causes them to spiral into drugs like Jake? We don't have safeguards against this in our estate plan.
Oh, we were just talking about the girls playing with Barbies, Stephen. Don't be making up problems for them.
Believe me, I'm not. But I imagine it's better to think all this through than be sorry later.
Well, it seems as if we're always running off, but Stephen and I have a black tie dinner tonight. I want to have time to get ready.
I think we've covered everything we wanted to.
Okay, then. Bye for now.